To access advanced settings in Gmail, we once again go to our cogwheel, but in the drop-down list, we're going to click on See All Settings. This will actually open up a new window. There are a number of different tabs where you can change all different kinds of settings. However, we're going to look at General and scroll down to Desktop Notifications and Stars. By checking off New Mail Notifications On, you will get a small pop-up in the corner that lets you know when you get a new email. This will help you keep track of when your teachers add assignments and send you important messages. I would not turn on sound. Make sure that is on none. Next, you want to make sure that you click on the presets of either 1 star or 4 stars. You want to have 1 to 4 stars in use. And then we're going to go down to the bottom and hit Save Changes. Now when you go into an email, you have the ability to make it starred, and therefore you can put important emails into a special folder until you don't need them anymore. That's one simple trick to make things easy to find.